My name's Scott Gordon. We're 9 years into a 10-year project of doing up what was two very dilapidated old houses and had been multi-lets and were really run down. We're getting to the final nice finishing stages now. One of the last is for Greenio to come in and to fit solar panels for us. We contacted several companies. Greenio were the most professional from the beginning. They came out, they did a full survey, they did a full quote. Other companies had sent a picture that they'd taken, off the internet and kind of got a gauge of the roof. Whereas Greenio came here to see if there's any groundworks needed doing, proper places to run cables, full of all the best information that we could possibly have had. We felt we could trust them from the beginning. Explanations at every single turn, nothing's a problem. We've had lots of trades here, lots have been wonderful, some not so much, but these are definitely a cut above the rest for professionalism, communication and just ongoing information. I would have no hesitation recommending them. Absolutely marvellous.